So, what Mr. Luca is showing us is that making a home look amazing isn't just about picking out pretty things. It's really about having a clear idea, being creative, and, importantly, paying attention to all the small stuff. He's got this knack for turning plain old spaces into places that feel both stylish and super inviting. It just goes to show that when you really care about the details, you get that perfect finish. You can find him on social media, especially Instagram, and that's how he stays in touch with all the folks who love his whole vibe and creative spirit. But Luca is way more than just someone who loves fixing up houses. He's also this really good-looking fitness model, totally embodying confidence, discipline, and taking good care of himself. His story is a great reminder that you can absolutely mix creativity, fitness, and your own personal style into one awesome lifestyle. Whether he's working on a house or hitting the gym, Luca really demonstrates how putting in the effort can turn everyday interests into something genuinely inspiring.